Okay. Good morning, my dear student. I am your social teacher. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about this Unit 8, Lesson 9. Okay. And our topic today is revenue and tax collection. Our topic is today is the revenue and this tax collection. Then what are the mean of this revenue? Then we are now today in this Unit 8, Lesson 9. Okay. What is revenue? Okay. The income obtained by the government. Okay. The income obtained by this government by imposing tax on different sectors. For example, customs. Customs is tax. Okay, tax collected from this consumption of the goods and services. Okay, land tax. Okay, registration fees. Okay, and tax on this property. Okay, profit and income. etc. are the best example of this revenue that is collected from the side of this government. That is known as this what? The revenue. Okay. And the types of tax now. Okay, there is direct tax and there is indirect tax. Okay, then what are the mean of direct tax? Then the direct tax means that it is the tax paid by this paid directly, okay, by this individual, or you can say this organization, to the government. For example, income tax, okay, personal property tax, okay, and a real tax, okay, are the example of this direct tax. Okay, these are this direct tax. And indirect tax means it is the tax imposed on these goods and services. Okay, it is the tax that is imposed on the goods and services rather than this income or profit. For example, if we stay at the hotel, okay, so we will pay this bill. Everybody know that. Okay, and if we stay at this hotel, okay, then we pay this bill including this tax which is forwarded by this hotel owners, despite of this deposit, okay, in this state revenue. Okay, and indirect tax include about this exercise duties, custom duties, and this VAT. VAT means value added tax. Okay, then what the mean of this value added tax? It is this indirect tax. Value added tax is also this indirect tax, okay, which is imposed on the goods. That is also imposed on these goods and services at each stage of this production. Okay, starting from the raw materials, starting from what this raw materials to the final product. Okay, the present rate of this VAT in Nepal is 13%. My dear student, you must have to understand that value added tax at the present context in the Nepal is 13%. Okay, and there is next one is this custom duty. Okay, what is custom duty then? Okay, it is this tariff. Tariff means that Sima Sulka. Okay, TARIFF. Tariff means that is Sima Sulka. It is this tariff, or you can say tax, imposed on the goods when transported across international borders. Okay, the government of Nepal collect the tax from this custom office, like from this Kakadbita, from the Bhairava Belaya. Okay, you can say Sunauli, Viratnagar. Okay, Nepalganj, Birganj. Okay, Dhangadi, Krishnanagar. Okay, means that these are the custom office from where this tax are collected. That tax is known as the custom tax. Okay, and there is this excise duty. Okay, excise duty. What is excise duty then? And excise duty is the tax imposed, okay, on the goods and services produced in this country, and imported from this outside. That is known as this excise duty. Okay, this type of this tax also is collected. This type of tax is also called as the inland tax. Inland tax imposed in this domestic business. Actually, such types of the excise duties imposed on this domestic business. Such types of tax are collected from this molasses. Molasses means good, okay, or can say valley, from the alcohol, okay, from the cigarette, okay, from the noodles, okay, from the plastic vehicles, okay, printing materials, television. From all these sectors, when the tax are collected, that tax is known as this excise duty. Okay, my dear student, this was for today. Again tomorrow I will come in front of you with this new topic. Thank you very much.